Yeah, man, don't know again, Little Mystery Town. I want afraid of nobody, we are not eater. No eater can't eat for food parade. Food parade too big, too big, too big to us. Also, when I go back to Jamaica empty handed, no, sir. They said, wine, 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 wine up me body, wine, wine, wine. Why put it by me? Pump pump tight and it don't need no stitch. Pull up a glue so you know you have a stick. Some of them attack them and mad over it. Some of them too tell them pitch up a precipice. And this a pump will make any cocky stiff. The cocky where you have will make any up chip. Girl for your back like say them a silver ticks. Yeah, you freak it, I wanna freak up for it, but you freak it, but you not eat it. Style where you give me other than sweet me. The length where you have height and keep me. They make me ball out like some mama bait me. This a push it on my body boy, put me in a style. Walk on me head cause you know me buck wild. Give it to him, call me well versatile. I mean, I need no powder and oil. I forget the money, I forget it in a time. No, don't know already, me a songwriter, also my album just dropped. So, I just like to keep it real. And I meet this nice guy today. And we just on the train, we're going back to Brooklyn. I'm a call. But I'm going to grab my jacket and I run out to get to the wholesale before it was closed. Come have a lot of order. But anyway, remember tonight, I'm trying to get back so I could get in live tonight. And I can talk to you guys. So for now on, I'm going to sign off. Until later. I love you. Big up yourself.